Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to TCL TAB 10S. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both devices and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that has to be from this developer. When you're ready, open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on your Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, select Receive on TCL and Send on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will choose all of your files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, select only one, tap on Send and click on Got It. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on tablet, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at this QR code. But we can also just input this key over here and tap on Receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my picture was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!